Benja Pandiyan from 5 and I am here to tell you about nature. Welcome my dear friends. This is my grandfather's home and I am going to show you what nature has given us today. I am here to tell you about nature. It is good for you. You feel happy. I feel happy to see this jackfruit. Healing happens quickly in nature. You know, taking nature walks regularly sheds weight. You know, walking in nature increases your memory by 20% according to the study of the University of Michigan. You will be able to concentrate better. Spending time in the sun helps your body to create vitamin D, which is good for your bones and skin. Being in Mother Nature helps reduce your stress. While you spend time with Mother Nature, you will age gracefully and look more young. Spending time with nature helps your immune system too. Water is another gift of nature. We drink water when we are thirsty. We use it for cooking, washing clothes, cleaning, and for another use.